Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Juan. Today, we're delving into the world of SoFi Technologies Incorporated, a leading fintech company that has been making headlines. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell for all things finance and investing. Background. Host, SoFi Technologies, known for its comprehensive suite of financial products, from student loans to investment platforms, has been a standout in the industry. Let's take a closer look at where SoFi stands right now and what could be in store for its future. Share price analysis. Host, as of current date, SoFi Technologies Incorporated is trading at current share price. Remember, stock prices are dynamic and can change rapidly. It's essential to stay updated with the latest information. Always conduct your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Chart analysis. Host, now, let's analyze the recent price movements. Display and analyze relevant charts on screen. Host, looking at the charts can provide insights into the stock's recent performance. Remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it can help us understand trends and potential patterns. Future targets. Host, what about the future targets for SoFi Technologies? Analysts are projecting, mention any current analyst predictions or price targets. However, these are estimates and can change based on market conditions and company developments. Keep an eye on the latest analyses for the most up-to-date information. Recent developments. Host, recent news and developments within SoFi Technologies can significantly impact its stock performance. Whether it's strategic partnerships, regulatory changes, or product launches, staying informed is crucial for investors. Conclusion. Host, in conclusion, SoFi Technologies Incorporated stands at the forefront of the fintech revolution. While it shows great promise, it's important to approach investments with caution. Conduct thorough research, stay updated with the latest news, and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Host, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow investors, and subscribe for more finance-related content. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.